Hey there, if you're building an AI-powered SaaS, you have already realized that the hardest part isn't getting a prompt to work in a sandbox environment. It is stopping it from breaking the second real users hit in production. Most AI integrations get built twice, one as a prototype and again when they break in production. But here's a catch. I have built so many integrations that I know the patterns, and yes, I can build them once. I am an AI integration engineer specializing in shipping AI pipelines inside production grade systems. My day to day lives in understanding requirements and turning them into usable products. Instead of just hooking up an API, I focus on clean architecture, cost optimized token pipelines, and zero time downtime deployments. To give you an idea of what things look like in practice, I have built, I have automated a real-time product enrichment for a 200 Dutch retailer using OpenAI Vision with zero failed deployments. And yeah, that is TerStal. I have also scaled high traffic SaaS systems, cutting task execution times by 90% via AI driven automation. And yeah, I have built highly secured multi tenant backends handling complex data isolation. You can see all of things in my portfolio section. Because I handle the full stack from the LLM layer down to the cloud infrastructure layer, you don't need to hire a separate AI guy, a backend engineer, and a DevOps specialist. I bridge that gap completely, handling everything from building products, integrating AI, to containerizing deployments on AWS or any other cloud environment. Let's hop on a brief call, map out your AI pipeline, and make sure it is built to scale right from day one. Looking forward to hear from you.